we're leaving the hotel. We go washing the clothes. Okay, here. Yeah. Look up. There. So there to the left. Okay, now? On the right, keep going. Right here, right here. Okay, here. Look up. Laundry. 24-hour laundry. Right there. Point laundry. Right there. Point laundry. Okay. Machine wash. Very fast. 1 hour. Finish. Forward. Very easy here. 1 hour. Over there. 2 days. Long time.
Okay.
Forward. So we're here at the laundromat right here. That's where you wash all your clothes right here. 24-hour point laundry. This is where you wash all the clothes. So we want to be here about an hour washing all the clothes next to the what's that? Young barber shop. Chok Di Inn. So this is the laundry right here. So coin laundry, orange coin laundry. Okay, we got a job to stop here. Wash some clothes. Take about an hour, and you wash your own clothes really clean here. So I don't like dumping at a place. Sometimes it's not clean. Well, this is the best place to wash. On this is Bua Khao Road. Okay, let's go start this thing. So here we got the big one. We got the 20 kilogram, 14 kilogram, and they got the 14, 27 kilograms. So I probably need the 14. That's good enough. It's 14 kilogram right here. This one. So here we got the soap. You can buy the soap right here. The coin machine. Where's the coin machine? Oh, coin machine's right here. So basically, you put your money in here. It's called orange wash. So 9 kilogram, 14 kilogram. They have different prices here. So, and then the dryer. So we're gonna put the money in here. Get all the change. Put 100 baht in. Let's see. There we go. We got the coins coming out, and then buy the soap right here. Pretty easy. Oh, this one is a soap. So 5 baht each. You want a big one up there. Oh, okay, here's a soap. We need 2 of those to get it clean. Then we got one more. Okay, we got 2 bags right there. Stuck. Yeah, I got stuck. Okay, full cap. Full cap. So we're gonna put the laundry in here. This is where you put the soap right here. So you put all the stuff in there. So let's take about an hour, probably 30 minutes. 60 baht for wash, so that's really cool. After that, you just put in a dryer over there, so really cool.